Welcome to another video about Newton's law. Today we'll learn to solve this problem based on Newton's laws of motion. Please read the question. A simple free body diagram, as shown here, of a block on a ramp illustrates this. All external supports and structures have been indicated by the forces they generate. Let us look at the free body diagram for this question. This will result in these equations. That's our answer. Here is a question that we'll discuss tomorrow. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.